guys, it's Joanie from simplelivingmama.com, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys our morning basket, morning time stuff for let's see, the next 6 weeks. So we use the Homeschool Garden. We also use My Father's World and a little bit of the Good and Beautiful. So this is going to be our morning time stuff for my first grader through my fifth grader. We have these compound word card game. It's like a memory match game to learn how to read compound words. So this is mainly for my first grader. The pictures match too, so my preschoolers like using this, but that is one of the things that is in our morning basket. Our current read aloud is the Children's Homer. I am going to be adding a couple more Greek read alouds because that is what we are studying in history right now with My Father's World, but this is just straight from the My Father's World curriculum. I didn't pull our Bible over here, but we are still in the Old Testament, so all of that is the same from My Father's World, creation to the Greeks. So we read from our Bible every single morning, and then we do a little bit of history, and right now we're reading through the Children's Homer. This is what I use for Shakespeare. It is the Tales from Shakespeare, Charles and Mary Lamb, and we're going to be doing Macbeth. So this is just a very simple book. I don't have Macbeth marked in here, but all of Shakespeare's plays and rewritten for children are in this book. Here is our Good and Beautiful Nature Notebook. It's been a while since we have worked in our nature notebooks, so I'm trying to get back into doing that once a week. So that is what we are going to be using for nature study for my older kids. Okay, and these are our morning time menus. I don't have one made up for my first grader because he's still not quite reading. But for my third grader and my fifth grader, I do have these morning time menus made up. And this is our scripture work from the last several months. We're actually beginning Psalm 1, which I have hanging up in our schoolroom. I just need to switch this out. We learned Psalm 23 over the last several weeks, but we are moving on to Psalm 1. And then this is the memory work from the Homeschool Garden, which I really liked because it did include Psalm 23, which we've already learned. And then I kind of want to do this poem with the kids because I thought it was really cute. And then this Bible verse as well. Our hymn is "O God, our help in ages past." Our folk song is "Danny Boy." The kids like to use markers on these, which it does wipe off. Then we're going to be doing some Europe map work. And then the kids are still working on the Apostles' Creed. And then I printed this off from the Homeschool Garden. I didn't know that this was available until like just last week, I think. So basically we mark off each day that we complete with the Homeschool Garden, and then, you know, we get to the end and we can have a prize or something. I haven't decided what yet, but each of my kids now have a Homeschool Garden progress tracker. And you guys are going to see the evolution of a homeschool mom if you follow my videos or my blog, because I have bounced back and forth with what I want to do as far as keeping up with the Homeschool Garden material. I started out with the binder. I switched over and I was just strictly using my computer and reading everything off of the computer. Well, I've gone back to the binder because I saw where Laura actually has her own menu, one of these menus for her stuff, and I thought, wow, that's a great idea. Now, I haven't purchased myself a menu, but I am putting all of our current things and page protectors, and eventually when I get my own menu, I will have my own menu along with the kids. So basically I just have the schedule at the front, then I have our tea time stuff all in one page protector. So in case I forgot to mention, the Great War is the focus of our morning time. I haven't picked out any books yet for the Great War, but we are doing all of the other things with the Homeschool Garden. So here is our nature study with the Homeschool Garden. And then I really liked this map, what Europe looked like pre and post World War I. So that's something that we will be studying. I have not done the geography before with the homeschool garden because the kids always do it with the Good and Beautiful. But one of the things the kids are learning is Europe and the Good and Beautiful, and I just thought this was fascinating. So we are doing the geography this time with the homeschool garden. And then all of our poems that we're going to have for poetry time, our artist study, Henry Matisse, and then I have all of the art prints in here. And then every time that we learn a new art print, I hang it up in our schoolroom. And then we have our composer, which I don't really know how to pronounce his first name, something Berlin, brand new to me as well. So that is what we are doing for morning time. I have started in a new morning time with my preschoolers, and I'm really excited to share that with you guys probably at the end of this week. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we will see you guys in the next video. Bye.